but we'd heard about Tequila and the Bus and their whole, they've been doing outrageous things for quite a while and had a reputation for it. And for us, it seemed like a real interesting thing to go and check out. The nice thing about the acid test was that we could play or not in the acid test. And a lot of times we would get we'd be too high really to play. And we'd play for maybe a minute.
Which is the acid test.
Ken, what's the theme of this commencement exercise?
I'm nestled somewhere deep inside the bowels of the Fillmore Auditorium, where I will be reporting the events of this auspicious event.
Most folks just weren't ready for it.